for doing me proud, keeping to the rules, being here full time, and acknowledging that you've really learned something. I think it means a lot to me. I feel fulfilled, I feel happier, and if I go back, I relate the same message to the Commissioner and the Permanent Secretary that this is my experience at Inwelle Study and Resource Center. Secondly, about the request made by last but one speaker, I am sure that that statement may have been out of ignorance, because for more than 12 months now, the ministry has been releasing computers to teachers under a program known as Schools Progressive Computerization Plan, the PC plan, under which teachers, staff of PPSMB, staff of Ministry of Education only are allowed to pick some computer sets from the ministry and then pay installmentally for 12 calendar months. Many people have benefited, many people are benefiting, many people are even waiting for me in the office right now to complete forms. So that's why I said that may have been made out of sheer ignorance. We have some desktop computers, we have some laptops, and the ministry entered into agreement with a company that is funding the project. It's not really being funded by the state government, but by a company that has reached an understanding with the Ministry of Education to sponsor this project. I am sure some of you are aware of this program. So that might be an opportunity. When I was listening to your response, I was expecting somebody to say, how do I get my own computer? Or I have given my